In this video, I will show you guys how to purchase Bitcoin in Telegram. So let's get started the video. So first of all, open up your Telegram app. And once your Telegram app is open, here you can see the three little lines in the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. And now you have to tap on wallet option. So here you can see that my wallet is open. So now you have to tap on more assets option. And here you can see the Bitcoin. Just simply tap on it. And there are the two methods to buy the Bitcoin in Telegram. First of all, open here you can see the receive option. Just simply tap on it. And now first of all you have to open verified your network and other things, and it will give you a receiving address. So simply copy and paste to the person which want to send your Bitcoin. And the second step was that tap on the add crypto option, and here you can see the P2P market. Just simply tap on it and tap on the get started, and here you can see the market is open. Just simply tap on the buy option. So here you can see the many of the person are selling here. Just simply tap on the buy option and simply buy your Bitcoin in Telegram. So that's how you can do it, guys. See you in the next video very soon.